Alright guys, welcome to this channel. For those of you that don't know, I do have an automotive channel here on YouTube as well. But here we're going to be doing all kinds of different equipment. So let's start off with this guy. Here we have a clean Core Caddy. Complaint is that it's not shooting water very well, and it's also not producing a ozone cleaner smell. I don't know if that's the correct way to put that out there, but we're gonna go ahead and check it out, verify the complaint, and see what's going on. So let's get started. Let's plug it in and see what it does. All right, we got that guy plugged in. Let's go ahead and turn our pump on. Looks like it's saying it's generating ozone. Let's go ahead and verify it. Spray it on the sink. And we are producing ozone according to the machine over there. And I do not smell anything really. You should have a very distinct smell. So I do not. So let's go ahead and turn it off. Let's get our pressure out of that hose. Now, I've been asked many times, how do you empty this when it's full of water? Best way I found it is to go ahead and disconnect this from the vacuum, I want to call it the shoe. And now that you have that ready, turn both pumps on. Just go ahead and stick that in there. Now that all the water's out, go ahead and put that down. Then you're going to come over here. And then from here, it's pretty obvious what we're going to do. Just going to go ahead and drain it out. And open the top. Let's go a little bit faster. Once you got that all off, I went ahead and took this out. And then just kind of take off all the other stuff that's going to fall over. Alright, once you get that far, right under here, you don't have to take that off, but there is one screw right there. Go ahead and take it all the way out. Okay, once you get that screw off, we can kind of place that there, place your foot there, and lean it back. As you can see, we'll open the whole machine. Let's let it drop down. Okay, now that we're in the machine, I'm guessing this is what produces our ozone. So simply just pop that out, and it should come out just like that, pretty easy. But before we put a new one in, what I'm thinking is our filter here could be clogged. So like everything, lefty loosey, righty tighty. There's gonna be some water that comes out. I don't think you should worry too much about it. There's quite a bit of yellowing right there. And then we'll just pop this guy out. Oh yeah, it's stuck. There we go. Yeah, there's quite a bit of film on there. I'm gonna go ahead and wash that out in the sink. Okay, here we go. I went ahead and washed this out with some Dawn soap and just water. Gonna go ahead and gently place it right there. And then to tighten it, obviously, righty-tighty. All right, there we go. Went ahead and cleaned a little bit of the water as much as I could. There's still some in there, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it back, see how this works. Here's our new beads. Go ahead and circle the date on there. And then we're simply just gonna pop that in. Just, there we go. That should be good. Now, we can go ahead and pop this back, screw it back in, and we'll give it a test run. All right, go ahead, pick the machine up. Make sure nothing is tucking as much as you can. Looks good on this side. Give it a gentle push. And now we'll put our screw back in. Now we have all that put back in. Let's go ahead and fill it up. All right, now that we have it plugged in, let's go ahead and test it out. It's gonna take a little bit to prime just because we took everything out and when we unscrewed that line to the pump. All right, so there you have it. It took a little bit of time till we could start producing that ozone smell, I guess we could call it. But it should be all good to go now. Pressure seems fine. This guy keeps going. But anyway, looks like everything worked out. So there will be a lot more videos. I don't know if specifically on these, but I will try to get as many problems that I do have issues with these machines. And then I'll go ahead and post them up. But I will be doing a lot of other stuff in this channel. So if you did like this video or it helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing, and we'll see you next time.